We like to stock our operatories with 1 week's worth of the supplies required to do 90% of the dentistry you do. And everything else is located centrally. All of the extra supplies are located centrally. Outside of that 90% profile, those supplies that you have in your ops, you have one place to look for the rest, right?
Yeah, you need something that has to do with a crown prep, you would come right here. It has to be somewhere right in this one section.
And so accessing it is easy too, right?
Yep. Even if you're 5 foot or 7 feet, you can reach the top. Easily access what I need up there.
And you're how tall?
I'm 5'4".
5'4". Access to supplies is huge. So rule of thumb, 1 week's worth of the supplies required to do 90% of the dentistry you do at your fingertips. Central resupply for a maximum of 6 weeks of inventory. And that is ordering once a month, folks. There isn't any better way to do it. And you can get a really good understanding of your inventory by taking a look at it. And when you get really good at it, which is something that we train, is really understanding what your maximum and minimums are.
Yes.
Right,
How
Heather?
much you need. How much do I need to order today, or can I wait until tomorrow? Because am I at my minimum, or am I just feeling like I'm running out of it?
Right. Don't be afraid to be looking at your minimum, because who knows, that little bit of inventory could probably last you another month.
Yeah.
But it's only by having it visual that you could have a good understanding.
Exactly.
Would you agree?
Yes, definitely. If it's in a box, who knows if that box is empty or full? And this, I know this is full or it's empty, and we do need to order.
Yeah. It takes how long to order?
An hour.
An hour. And not one person can do it, but
Anybody.
it's so simple enough to learn.
Yeah.
Awesome. High five. Good job, girl.